Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Noobed Rod Skin in Fish It game of Roblox Classic Update. Okay, this is the update log of the Classic Update, guys. And there's a restricted fishing area. A special fishing zone has appeared on Classic Island, and you will need a quest exclusive rod to fish here, and the exclusive rod is the Noobed Rod Skin. Okay, first of all guys, you need to go to the Classic Island. If you're at the Fisherman Island, you can just use the teleport feature, and then you're going to go to this location. Just follow me and you will find the restricted area, and you need to take the quest on the NPC to get the Noobed Rod Skin, and it's right there. Wait, let me show you the restricted area. If you don't use the Noobed Rod Skin, you will get punishment, guys. Okay, this is the NPC, and you can click on this option, Noobed Skin Quest, and you need to fish legendary fish. You need to catch 10 legendary fish to get the Noobed Rod Skin. And I'm still working on it, guys. I still need to catch 10 legendary fish. Wait, let me show you the quest. Where is it? Wait, guys. Okay, this one. It's called John's Legendaries. I haven't catched even one fish. Legendary fish. Okay, that's how you can get the Noobed Rod Skin in Fish It game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!